This is a capture race challenge for white. This type of problem really just requires about 2 to 3 minutes at most because white really doesn't have a whole lot of options. Just make sure you slow down and calculate all the possibilities because there are tempting moves that are not correct, right? Like standing down here is actually useful in many circumstances, but it's not correct here. Black can just play here, and what happens now is that throwing in here looks tempting. It will be a good move in some other circumstances, but black can just connect here, and now all of a sudden, white loses. Because white is so short on liberties, white needs to be really careful. So that's why number 1 actually won't work. What about these Atari moves, right? Always refrain from these Atari moves unless you're sure they work. This way it doesn't work, because after this move, white is down to 2 liberties, and there's no way white can win. What about throwing in here first? This also won't work because black can just connect here. And once again, white is down to 2 liberties. And if you try this Atari, it seems promising, but black can Atari from behind at 6 and 8. Then this is a connect and die for white. So black fails after number 2. Right? If you play something like this, then again, black will just stand down here. There's really nothing for white to play. So where's the correct first move? It's actually bending here. Bending here is a very good move because of this shape, right? If black blocks here, then throwing in here is a very good move because black cannot connect. If you throw in here first, then black can connect. If you play here, black will play this. So the order really matters. If you play here first, black blocks. Now black can only capture. And now this is a connect and die for black. So black can only save these stones and allow white to capture this way. And now, of course, if black plays here, white can still Atari here. And black will all be dead. So that is why number 1 here will actually work. If you try some of the other moves, if you try this, then white can connect. There's no way black can cut white off. What about these moves? These are similar. White just needs to play this throw in and capture black this way. So that is why number 1 will work no matter how black responds. Overall, not too difficult. In this type of situation, definitely comes up in games. You just have to slow down for a little bit and sort out all the variations. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.